Hello children, how are you? For this day, we are going to learn about toys. Let's start. Vocabulary toys. Kite, kite. Watch, watch. Computer game, computer game. Car, car. Train, train. Robot, robot. Camera, camera. Teddy bear, teddy bear. Doll, doll. Plane, plane. Helicopter, helicopter. Lorry, lorry. Ball, ball. Bike, bike. Boat, boat. Blocks, blocks. Okay, this is the finish. Repeat the video again. Bye bye.